test drive the 2023 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.